Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to align multiple text box in Excel. Let's begin. Okay. Now see this four text box. Double click the text box. Hold Control. Select side text box. Go to Format tab. See this align. First align middle. This text box. Okay. Again double click the text box, hold Ctrl and select other, click Format tab, align middle. Okay, and adjust the box, hold Ctrl, align center. Okay, again align center, hold Ctrl, format, click the group, again group, double click the group, okay, align center. Okay, and select text box, see this shape, click here and move arrow. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.